probably the most surreal moments in my life.
Born on the 401, the amazing story of a baby that just couldn't wait. Good evening and thanks for joining us. Tonight's top story. Anyone who was outside early this morning knows how brutally cold it was, and it makes this next story all the more amazing. A baby born on the side of the 401 in Milton as the cold wind and traffic blew by. But tonight, mother and child are safe and sound. Sean Leathong's been following this story. He joins us now live with the latest. Hey there, Sean.
Hey, Nick. Well, Sergeant Ryan Snow, who was the Halton Regional Police officer, showed up to help deliver the baby. He said he was really impressed by the couple's composure through the entire process, and he says that the whole event has actually changed him.
What a story this family can tell. At 3:30 on Thursday morning, mother Michelle Tyndall and father Adam Mascarenas welcomed baby Violet on the side of the 401. Their only help coming from a member of the Halton Police.
I can honestly say it's probably the most surreal moments in my life.
The couple was racing to a Brampton hospital for the birth of their second child, but the baby won't wait, and they stop. Mom has to lie down on the highway in a 2-foot gap between the car and the guardrail. It's freezing cold with temperatures in the negative double digits. That's when Sergeant Snow arrives.
You could see the baby's head was crowning, so the baby was just kind of at the early stages of delivery. You could even see the hair on the baby's head. So it was, I mean, again, for me, never seen anything like that before. So Dad was kind of in the delivery position. I was kind of above Mom's head. We were talking. And at that point, the question is how long do you wait in that position? So I said to Mom, maybe try a gentle push, and that's really all it took. And within about 10 seconds, the baby was delivered.
Mother and child were wrapped in blankets, and Dad's talking to the paramedics who are on their way.
And one of the things that he'd said to me was, we got to tie off the umbilical cord. Presence of mind at that point was to find something. Went back to my car, and the first thing that came to mind was actually a piece of crime scene tape out of my kit in the trunk of the car. Basically just wound it as much as we could.
And for Sergeant Snow, the experience has him thinking about expanding his own family.
It's something my wife and I have been talking about is more kids, and I think it's safe to say this will probably spur on the conversation a little bit. So hence, yeah, check back in 10 months and see how we're doing.
And today, both mother and baby are resting comfortably at Milton District Hospital. They say they're happy and healthy after what they call an exciting night. Bit of an understatement there.
Yeah, absolutely. They've got a great story to tell when that baby grows up. Thanks a lot, Sean.